Question 7a. Define the term mining. It refers to the process of extracting valuable minerals, either solid, liquid or gas, on or below the Earth's surface. Question 7a2. Identify the areas where the following minerals are mined in Kenya. Carbon dioxide, C.R.E in Baringo, Kagwe in Kiambu, titanium in Kwale, and limestone in Athi River. Question 7b. State 3 factors that influence the exploitation of minerals. Government policy, availability of market, cost of mining, mode of occurrence of minerals, economic value of mineral, availability of transport facilities, and level of technology. Question 7c. Describe the process of gold in South Africa. Ore is crushed to a fine powdery dust. Powdery dust is then mixed with water until it is fluid mud. Cyanide is added to dissolve gold. The fluid is run off with gold dissolved, leaving behind waste salts. Zinc dust is added to filter gold for solidification. Gold sinks as it is denser. Gold is melted and cast into ingots. Question 7d1. Explain 3 ways in which gold contributes to the economy of South Africa. Gold mining creates employment, which raises the living standards of the people. Gold mining has led to the growth of urban centers in Rand in the Orange Free State, thus creating a large demand for agricultural products. Gold mining has led to the improvement of infrastructure. For example, we have roads and hospitals because they serve the mining areas. Gold mining has led to growth of industries, as some of the skills are useful in other sectors of the economy. Gold earns foreign exchange, which is used to develop other sectors of the economy, thus promoting industrial expansion. Gold is used as a medium of exchange in the world and hence used in South Africa to settle international debts. Question 7d2. State 4 problems which South Africa experiences in the exploitation of gold. The increasing depth have led to the collapse of the mines, burying miners alive. High cost of labor due to competition in other better paying sectors such as manufacturing industries. Exhaustion of the mines due to overexploitation has led to the closure of the mines. Exhaustion of the mines due to overexploitation has led to the closure of some mines. Gold-bearing reefs are deeply found underground and thus expensive to mine. Shortage of water due to high demand in the industries and for domestic use. Low gold content in an ore.